एक गजब फनकार किया हो तुमसे कहे कहानी, दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी। एक गजब फनकार किया हो तुमसे कहे कहानी, दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी।
Jhangar was somebody who was extraordinarily gifted. Here was this man who was unlettered in the ways that we think education is, but who could draw auras, who could draw the essence of whether if it was a snake, it had that, you know, the slithering, the venomous aspect of the snake. If it was a lion, you could feel the tensed muscles, you could feel the crouch, you could feel the power.
Patterns, which they call in art circles is pointillism, using the little points of light and color. That, I think, comes from the tribal tradition, from the tattoos that they put on their bodies, and from the floor paintings. But also there's an intriguing connection to Gondwana land, because Gond, the term Gondwana land coming from Gond, it was hundreds of thousands of years ago. They know that Australia, New Zealand, India, all connected. So somehow I think that there is a connection, but especially between Aboriginal art of Australia and New Zealand and Gond art of Madhya Pradesh. His color palette and his use of patterns and dots and things, I think, is uniquely his own. And no other Gond artist has really developed it to the complexity and the richness that Jhangar did.
There's something called racial unconscious, and sometimes an artist like Jhangar sitting in a village can be doing the same technique as an Australian artist, Aboriginal, sitting in a jungle without electricity. Racial unconscious. It runs through human race. These are unexplained mysteries.
रंगों की बारिश हो जैसे सरसों मिर्ची धान हो जैसे, रंगों की बारिश हो जैसे सरसों मिर्ची धान हो जैसे, हरा लाल नीला और पीला, हरा लाल नीला और पीला जगमंथन हो जैसे, ओस की बूंदे हैं या मोती की माला, बाजरे के बीज है या पानी का नाला.
I love its colors. I love its movement. Every picture has movement in it some way or other. I love the whole tradition. It's a very nature-based tradition to me. I love the fact that in some ways it's representational, in other ways it's not representational at all.
भावों की चादर को पहने इठलाते बल खाते उबरे, भावों की चादर को पहने इठलाते बल खाते उबरे, ऐसे जीवर जंतु तराशे, ऐसे जीवर जंतु तराशे पहली बार किसी ने, ओस की बूंदे हैं या मोती की माला, बाजरे के बीज है या पानी का नाला.
Jhangar wisely decided that he is not going to paint what others have been doing. And this is a historic moment in Indian art in the 20th century. He decided to paint his ancestral memories. So he started painting trees and snakes and flying animals and what you have. The tribal imagination is more firmly rooted in the impossible, in the dream, surreality, if you like. it is not constrained by reality like the urban and the non-tribal mind is. So what is happening is something of great historical importance, although I must confess that none of us suspected that this was happening that way.
He painted the enchanted forest. And when we say the enchanted forest, I don't mean it like a fairy tale. He knew of this. So when he chose to paint an insect or a snake or a bird, he was not doing it because it just appealed to him visually or artistically. He was doing it because he knew that all of life is interconnected and every creature has a part to play.
Jangar picked out small things, blew them up, gave them individual spaces, made them into completely different things, you know. So they're in auctions with Christie's and Sotheby's. There are shows which they're included in, international shows. We sort of dismiss it as a tribal and folk art, but it's the vernacular art of our country.
एक गजब फनकार किया हो तुमसे कहे कहानी दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी एक गजब फनकार किया हो तुमसे कहे कहानी दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी.
So he was discovered in a small village in Patangarh by Swaminathan's team. He sent out a team to try and find talented artists across Madhya Pradesh. So he had never been out of his village, you know. He was a real villager.
And it's a young boy who's never ventured out, but who has this huge universe inside of him. Just imagine that moment. It's magical, it's pure magic. And so at 19, Jangar is asked to come to Bhopal, and from there the whole story begins.
He was not born a painter, he was born a minstrel. He sang and he danced and he told stories. And before, when he painted in the village, he painted with earth colors, ochre and terracotta and black and beige. And when he went to Bhopal, Swaminathan gave him acrylic paints and pigments. And color for him, the word was, I mean, his face lit up.
नस नस में मौका मिला सुनहरा पांच रंग के चित्रकार ने रंग डाला संसारा पांच रंग के चित्रकार ने रंग डाला संसारा एक गजब फनकार किया हो तुमसे कहे कहानी दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी.
But just imagine, a small village in Madhya Pradesh, and he's taken from there in 1989 and flown to Paris to this enormous exhibition, very important, at the Pompidou Center, one of the most important museums in the world. It was called Magicians of the Earth, and they were tribal and folk artists from all over the world. So at the last minute, they gave Jangar an enormous 2 walls and said, paint them and you have 24 hours. So he painted the gone gods and the trees and the vegetation in 24 hours.
Folk and tribal art is actually characterized by a lot of exuberance. But what Jangar did in that exhibition was to blow it up beyond scale. So it was not a small component of something, it was an entire galaxy that he had kind of created. And I think it would be very hard for somebody who's in that space not to be affected by the sheer brilliance, the sheer scale, and the sheer monumental impact of that work.
सात समंदर पार उसने दुनिया को मगन कर डाला सांप के अंदर से शाखों ने सांप के अंदर से शाखों ने अपना सर था निकाला उसकी माटी के कस्सों में लाल नील और काला.
What Jangar did at that moment made folk and tribal art in a way arrive. It was an artist from India arriving in a way that was least expected.
एक गजब फनकार किया ओ तुमसे कहे कहानी दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी जंगल छूटा गांव भी छूटा छूटा सब परिवारा सात समंदर पार उसने दुनिया को मगन कर डाला सांप के अंदर से शाखों ने शाखों ने अपना सर था निकाला उसकी माटी गई किस्सों में लाल नील और काला
Charles Correa, who had designed the Vidhan Sabha, the legislative building for Madhya Pradesh, he invited him to paint the murals on the walls. So I also was there at that time, and there were these huge scaffolding in bamboo, you know, very, very rickety bamboo, and there was Jangar on his back painting on the walls. I mean, it was like Michelangelo painting the Sistine Chapel. I mean, I just looked and I thought, my goodness.
If you look at his huge murals, I feel that's the real Jangar that comes out in that size. And to have somebody believe that this artist, not a contemporary artist, could do those in an important place like Vidhan Sabha, and also an architect like Charles Correa, to have faith in him.
Any other artist, if he was given a state legislative assembly, you know, to paint up, would think and go into, you know, lots of permutation combinations and, you know, worry about it. He was a man, any wall you gave him, he would start and then it would just evolve organically. Can you imagine a gigantic aeroplane on the ceiling? I mean, here you are, you know, in a state assembly going to be thinking of very mundane matters, and then you look up and there's this playful, inventive, colorful, joyful aeroplane. It totally changes your perspective.
He believed, even though unself-consciously, that art creates reality. It doesn't have to reflect an already existing reality.
झूमती गाती इस धरती का दरिया से उठती लहरों का झूमती गाती इस धरती का दरिया से उठती लहरों का रात का भी और दिन का भी रात का भी और दिन का भी कहानीकार तो जहां का ओस की बूंदें हैं या मोती की माला बाजरे के बीज है या पानी का नाला.
His untimely death, the tragedy of it, the unfairness of it, the unfairness is still fresh in everybody's mind.
Jangar's death is truly one of those mysteries of life that I think will remain unanswered to a large extent because the answers went away with him.
There were many unfinished paintings, I'm sure, within him. Tragically, he died at a moment when he was at his creative best. He was his most powerful.
When I heard the story, I just felt bereaved and deeply shocked that a man of such charm, such simplicity in some ways, and such huge talent should have taken his own life in these very, very unfortunate circumstances.
कागज पैसा और बंधन कल झुके हैं नाती कागज पैसा और बंधन कल झुके हैं नाती एक गजब फनकार किया ओ तुमसे कहे कहानी दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी एक गजब फनकार किया ओ तुमसे कहे कहानी दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी.
It's a mystery and a great tragedy that it should happen in this way. He was in Japan in a museum which had commissioned him to do some work under a contract. and the contract has expired, but perhaps the museum wanted some more work to be done. Jangar Singh Shyam was feeling homesick. He was missing his wife, and he was a very homely man. So perhaps all that conspired as a pressure on him, and he seemed to have reacted in a rather extreme way by taking away his own life.
फिर संदेशा आया उसको फिर संदेशा आया उसको जापानी टापू से बह निकला वो उसी तरफ तूफान में कश्ती लेके बह निकला वो उसी तरफ तूफान में कश्ती लेके ननकुसिया और बच्चों की ननकुसिया और बच्चों की यादें उसे सताती कागज पैसा और बंधन कल झुके हैं नाती कागज पैसा और बंधन कल झुके हैं नाती एक गजब फनकार किया हो तुमसे कहे कहानी दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी एक गजब फनकार किया हो तुमसे कहे कहानी दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी.
When a lonely individual who's young from a village goes to a foreign country where he has no communication with any neighbor, he has no friend, all he is doing is that he is dying to finish his work and get back to his family and his surroundings and his roots, and he is not allowed to. That loneliness led to Jangar's suicide also, because if you're taken away to a remote place, you who are surrounded by family and friends are just picked up, and for a little money you agree, and then you're taken to a place where you can't even talk to anybody in your language. You are only given food, and you're given paper and paper and paper because your work is selling. I mean, what about your soul? Your soul gets totally crushed and stifled. Because he was an artist who was working with the sense of community, he could not take that. This was human trafficking of an artist.
It's very tragic. He was very unhappy there. He was due to come back, and then his passport was taken away to say that no, stay on for longer and do more work.
I thought it was utterly deplorable. In the first place, I thought it was quite wrong to treat Jangar as someone who would like a sort of factory almost, industrialized art almost, you know, sit there day after day after day painting, not waiting for inspiration, not having his own background, which was always such an inspiration to him.
The responsibility was the person who takes you out of India, puts you in a small art center, feeds you raw fish, says paint. What do you think? You want to go home, you miss your family, you miss India, you miss the village. What do? The Japanese man who had the art center, now you'll notice I don't give his name, and I've never said his name, because when you say people's name, it gives them power. And I have no intention to give him any power, and I blame him. You have to be sensitive to this, you know, because he was not the type to commit suicide.
ननकुसिया और बच्चों की यादें उसे सताती कागज पैसा और बंधन कल झुके हैं नाती कागज पैसा और बंधन कल झुके हैं नाती एक गजब फनकार किया हो तुमसे कहे कहानी दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी.
In this painting, Endless Journeys, I've done the horoscopes because nobody could foretell that this young life would be cut short. And on the left side of the painting is my day and night, life and death, the dualities, happiness and sorrow. I've incorporated those and the uncertainty of life and death. And I've done Jangar's plane, and there's a streak of red. It's like the plane is on fire or exploding, you know. And that plane has taken him into a journey from where he could never get into that plane and come back home.
It's a great loss to the world of Indian art that a young artist committed suicide at that point. But what he has left and done already by that time is a very rich body of art which bears his clear stamp. And as I said, it is rather posthumously that he inaugurated, in a sense, this Jangar Kalam, which then has now, I'm told, something like 50 or 60 artists, mostly from Patangarh and that area, which is remarkable.
To father a school of art, which is the Jangar Kalam, is something that many lifetimes of achievement condensed into one young lifetime.
In India, we have what I call the banyan tree syndrome, where we do not allow anything to grow underneath us. But he was truly not just a mentor, he was someone who was a dreamer. He dreamed it was possible, and so it became possible. Jangar was definitely someone who had the vision that I should not be the only one telling the stories of my people, that there are others who have stories to tell and they may tell it a little different than me. And this really is the generosity of the man, the lack of insecurity in him to feel that, you know, that he could not just do his own work but also create an entire army of painters.
अपने लोगों को समझाया दुनिया को पहचानो, अपने लोगों को समझाया दुनिया को पहचानो, बूंद गठिया सीढ़ी तीर अपने कलम तलाशो, बूंद गठिया सीढ़ी तीर अपने कलम तलाशो, एक गजब फनकार किया ओ तुमसे कहे कहानी, दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी, एक गजब फनकार किया ओ तुमसे कहे कहानी, दुनिया भर में नाम हुआ चित्रों में उसकी बानी.
And I rank him as one of the 5 greatest artists your country has produced in the last 100 years. Whoever met him realized that this is a Renaissance kind of figure, a Da Vinci kind of figure who can do anything. He could sing, he could dance, he played the flute, he could draw, you know, he could work with clay. He could do anything.
झूमती गाती इस धरती का, दरिया से उठती लहरों का, रात का भी और दिन का भी, रात का भी और दिन का भी, कहानीकार दो जहां का. ओस की बूंदे हैं या मोती की माला, बाजरे के बीज हैं या पानी का नाला.